Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS3 and I'm gonna show you how to set or set up the alarm clock on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen on your watch, you can press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping up and down on the screen, find the alarm icon, and once you find it, tap on it to open the alarm menu. And here, as you can see, we don't have any alarms, but we can tap on this alarm button to make a new one or set up a new one. Once you tap on the plus button, you will see this page, set time. And basically we need to set the time on which the alarm should go off. So I'm gonna set it to something like 3:30 p.m. like this. Then we can tap on next. And here we can select on which days the alarm should repeat. You can leave it unselected, so the alarm will go off only once and it won't repeat, but you can also select specific days, for example Mondays and Wednesday, and then tap on OK. And here we have our alarm. It will go off at 3:30 p.m. on Mondays and Wednesdays. You can turn it on and off by tapping on the switch. You can also have multiple alarms, so we can create a new one like this. And we can also edit the alarms by tapping on the alarm, and here you can change the time, you can change the repeat option, you can also tap on alarm name. No, never mind, we can't change the name for some reason. Okay, another thing you can do with the alarm is to delete it. So for example, let's say I don't want this alarm anymore, I can tap on it and tap on the delete, tap on the check mark to confirm. Okay, and once you're done setting up your alarms, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. You can also access the alarm menu by opening the quick panel and tapping on alarms right here to open the alarm menu. So you don't need to go through the menu, main menu, basically up menu. Okay, and that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.